Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with the first box of 2019 for Boxycharm. This is a $21 per month subscription. I will leave the link below if you would like to try it out. Cancel at any time. Not affiliated, not sponsored, but just in case you would like to try it, the link is below. And we're going to go ahead and get into this month's box. Okay, so the theme this month is Boxy and Chill. And then on the other side, we have the different products that we're going to go ahead and start reviewing. We'll go ahead and get this out of the way. This is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. If you've watched any of our other unboxings for Boxycharm, I always get a Briogeo something. And I end up passing it on to my friend, which this will also go to her. I don't use a lot of the hair care things that come in the Boxycharm, and I had a little rant on the last one, but I'm just like, here we go again. And some people got other things because all the boxes are not the same. They have some different products in it, and there was another product in another box. I forgot what it was. I'm like, I would have rather had that than this, but it is what it is. So this retails for $12 full size. This effectively restore your hair softness, manageability, moisture and shine with this spray infused with a signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan and coconut oils. And it also helps to detangle wet hair and protect against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster and diminishing frizz. So you have this nice travel size. If you like Briogeo and you travel with it, this would be a great size. But again, this is going to go to my friend. Hi Jessica, this is coming to you soon. So we have this in this month's box. Next is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. They changed their packaging. As you can see, I would pull out one of my Ofra lippies, but I don't know where. They're in here somewhere, but they're round and these are square now. But this one is Miami Fever, which was a collab a while ago with Kathleen Lights. It's like a caramel. I would say it's like a terracotta caramel-like color. I mean, I can use it with like a brown liner. It's very pretty. It's great for the spring and summer, more orangey tones. So we got this. It has a slight smell of sweetness, but not overpowering. This retails for $20, and it is a matte liquid lipstick that delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear infused with vitamin A and antioxidants. Your lips will look and feel healthy all day. That we will see, because every liquid lipstick is different on everybody's lips. If you have more hydrated lips, of course it's going to be different than if your lips are really dry. And right now mine are dry because it is 9 degrees outside. So yeah, so I'm trying to keep them hydrated, but I will test this out. So make sure you do, again, follow us on Instagram, because I do post reviews of things that I've tried and let you know whether I like them or not. So we have this Ofra long lasting lipstick in Miami Fever. Next, I have this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Comes with the spoolie. And this color is, well, it says universal, so I guess everyone can use it, but I don't know if everyone can use this color. It looks like a taupe, but if you're blonde, this might work if you're blonde, but if you're have deeper brows, I don't know how that's gonna work unless you're just gonna use it to fill in your brows. I don't know. So I don't know how that's universal. Mine would have to be a little bit deeper. I might be able to use it in the front of my brows, but this would not go over my whole brow. But it's nice, it's creamy, which I don't mind. Some people don't like creamy pencils. I don't mind creamy pencils because I just use them for outlining, and then I fill mine in with powder. So if you do that, then this will be just fine. But this is a nice product. I like brow products, and again, it comes with a spoolie, which is very handy, and it's a nice full size, and this retails for $18, and this is from Billion Dollar Brows. I was excited to see these in the box. This is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I've tried the silk canvas. I don't like it. It doesn't sit well with my foundations, and I've tried it with plenty of foundations, and I don't like it. Pass that on to Angelica. But I love a good face mask, and right now, again, since it is 9 degrees, the air is very dry, so having a nice hydrating mask, and this is a luminous dewy skin mask, which would also give you some hydration. This would be great this time of year. These excuse me, these retail for $24, and they have rice germ oil and vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. So this is what I would use at night. I wouldn't use this before makeup, unfortunately. And it also says it's a scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin health and radiance. So I will be happy to try these out. I did a mask last night. I do one every other day, so I will try this out tomorrow, and again, I will post it on Instagram, so I'll let you know what I thought. But we got these wonderful masks from Tatcha. Lastly, we have another Tarte Rainforest of the Sea limited edition highlighting eyeshadow palette, and this is the volume 3. I have the volume 1, I believe, and this is what it looks like. There were several different ones. There was one that was more cool toned, and there was this one, and then there was one that was more pinky toned, and that one was the one that had the pink glitter. This one has a little bit of pinky tones, but a little bit cooler and pinky tones. I'll show you in a second. But the outside is very pretty, peacocky, very pretty. Has a nice mirror, and here is what she looks like. There are some pinkier tones, but then there's a lot of cooler tones in there as well. Sorry if they get that with it being so shiny, I'm sorry. But yes, these are very nice. I like the other one, even though it is more muted neutral tones. I still use it. These are pressed very hard, so you will have to dig your brush in there a little bit to get it out. But I'm happy with the colors. I mean, I don't wear a lot of neutral colors. I'm more of a colorful person, but when it comes down to it, I will still wear it because you can just throw it on really quickly and go. There's only one matte in here, and I will insert a picture of swatches here for you to see. But I like them. They're very nice. I'll give you a couple swatches here. The matte is just a matte. But there's some of the pigmentation you can see there. And yes, they are all shimmers except for that one matte, but they are very pretty. This would be a great everyday palette too. You can pair it with a matte palette. I'm sure you have plenty of mattes in your collection. You can pair it with, this would be a nice travel palette. Have a small matte palette and that palette, and you're ready to go. You don't have to pack a lot. Or this would be good for everyday work, school, whatever. But these are really pretty, and I can't wait to try them out. But we got this beautiful Tarte palette. I love the design. This retails for $36. So this is what I got in my January 2019 Boxycharm. Let me know if you got anything different, if you got a different palette, if you got a different color of lip color, if you did receive the Briogeo spray. Let me know if you like the masks. Leave all the information at the bottom. I'd like to know what you thought, if you thought it could have been better, or if the color didn't suit you, or if you wish you had gotten a different palette. Let me know. The link again will be below if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm. It is $21 per month. Again, not sponsored or affiliated. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next month to see what we get. And I thank you so much for watching. Make sure again to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on our social media. And we will see you in our next video.